Hey, are you someone who is afraid to ask for money? Or are you someone who is afraid to close the deals, or you don't know how to close the deals efficiently? I was at the very same spot. And that's where Himanshu came into the picture. Hi, my name is Ronak Vora. I'm a men's fitness coach and a transformation specialist, and a creator of India's first men's fitness community. I always had this belief that sales is a negative thing. You can't sell. Selling is not good. We had all these beliefs while growing up. I was doing great in my career, but I struggled at selling. And you know what Himanshu told me? If you can't sell, if you can't close, you will be broke. And that's where it hit me that yes, I need to learn these fundamentals. I need to learn these principles on how to be a efficient closer, a salesperson, without being pushy. And Himanshu has been a really great mentor to me. It's been 8 months I am associated with him, and he has never denied of helping me. He has always been there to help me whenever I needed his help, and he has taught me some great fundamentals and principles, not just tips but the real solid fundamentals on how to close the deals, what's your mindset, how to qualify a prospect. What happens is, people message me that, Rona, what are your rates, what are charges? And usually I used to do it like, okay, I charge this much, and they used to tell me, okay, I'll let you know. And I was like, man, this is ripping me apart. I'm losing clients because I'm not even qualifying them. But then he gave me some powerful, weapons, I would say, right? Powerful sales weapons, and that shifted the whole game, man. I've got like 5 times more, I'm earning 5 times more now in my revenue. My mindset is like legend, like literally. I can tell you I've improved 150 percentage in my mindset, because sales is all about mindset. If you want to close a deal, if you can't close it in your mind first, how can you close the deal in the physical reality? All these things Himanshu has taught me, and I really encourage each one of you. You must learn from Himanshu. He is the right mentor for you. Go sign up for his webinar, learn from his trainings, be a part of his sales mastery group, and learn as much as you can from him. Because I have got immense results in my mindset, my sales strategies, my process, my revenue, everything. And I cannot stretch it enough that Himanshu has helped me tremendously. Thank you, Himanshu, for impacting my life, and thank you for doing the great job you're doing for society and the community. More blessings to you and more success to you. Thank you. This was Ronak Vora signing off.